What's up you guys, it's Ben and welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything there is relating to selling on Amazon. So in today's video I wanted to answer the very simple and fundamental question. Is Amazon FBA in 2021 still worth it, or should we be moving on to something else? Well, the truthful answer is yes. However guys, in today's video I also wanted to share with you 5 statistics to prove my point that Amazon FBA business is still a great way for you to start making passive income and hopefully leaving your 9 to 5. Hopefully this video is going to motivate you to start your Amazon FBA journey now. If you have been thinking about it, if you're looking for a passive income stream, this is the business for you guys, and hopefully by the end of this video you're going to be motivated and encouraged to take action as soon as possible. With that being said guys, if you are interested in selling on Amazon and you want to basically get some extra support, some extra help, please don't forget to check the links down below for my brand new FBA Mentor Academy course or my mentorship. Otherwise guys, if you're interested in selling on Amazon and you're relatively on a lower budget but you still want to use some of the business tools that I use, please don't forget to check the links down below for Helium 10, the best product research tool out there, or Tide, the perfect business bank account to start off your Amazon FBA business. With that being said guys, let's get straight to the video. You guys today that hopefully will encourage you to start off your Amazon FBA journey is the market cap and the share price for Amazon.com. The truth is guys that Amazon has actually been one of the fastest growing companies over the last 5 years. And the main reason for that is simple: a change in customer behavior. Over the last 5 years, a lot of customers, especially the younger ones, 40 and under, have realized the convenience of shopping online. Whether it's Amazon, eBay, or any other company's website, you basically get to browse through all of the products at the comfort of your own home, make the purchasing decision that is best from searching from various different websites, and then actually get the product delivered to your doorstep the next day. No longer do you have to wait in queues for hours and hours to get the best possible deal. No longer do you have to wait in traffic and go from shop to shop to go and find the item that you've been looking for hours. Now this all can be done online, and I only think that this customer behavior is going to improve in our favor in the future. Wouldn't you want to be a part of that? Wouldn't you want to benefit off that? Well, this is why Amazon has actually, given us the opportunity to actually sell on their platform. There is no reason why we can't introduce our own products that we can find from China or somewhere else and actually offer them to this growing customer base. Next up guys, that I really wanted to show you as well is the online retail e-commerce sales as a share in relation to the retail trade. Now what's interesting here is the comparison between UK and the rest of the countries in Europe and the European average. But what I also wanted to show you is the increase, in the percentage as well. As you can see, for United Kingdom in 2014, only around 12 to 13% of all sales were happening online. Now, last year, this has gone up to 26%. Now, you may be thinking, well, 13 to 26%, that may not be so high. However, guys, this is a massive, massive change in a very short period of time. This is literally in 5-6 years, it has doubled, doubled the share price. The share of all of the e-commerce sales in comparison to the retail sales has doubled. And in my personal opinion, over the next 5 years, we will definitely pass the 30% mark. This is a big, big indicator that more and more customers are now going onto Amazon and going onto various other e-commerce sites to do their shopping. Think about it. A few years ago, most of us were shopping in stores, looking for clothes and so on. However, now a lot of us will actually look at various different websites first to potentially find something that is much more convenient to do, something that we can buy online and get it delivered the next day. The next thing that hopefully will motivate you, well, it certainly motivated me, is this news article from BBC about how Amazon sellers have sold their businesses to become millionaires. There are quite a few stories that you can easily find on BBC about people, literally regular people that started off on a relatively low budget and were able to build their brands within a relatively short period of time, 3 to 4 years, and then quit the game. Effectively sell their business to a bigger, much bigger business effectively for quite a few £1,000,000 and therefore retire early. Wouldn't you want to be in that position? Wouldn't you want to do the same thing? I really highly recommend reading this article because it gives you the real truth of what it's like to sell on Amazon, how easy it is. Well, let's disclaimer, it's not so easy, but it will also tell you what is possible if you actually do put in the time and the dedication necessary. The next statistic that I wanted to show is simple. The number of active Amazon Marketplace sellers in 2019. Now, I couldn't get the statistic for 2020 or 2021. However, guys, as you can see, there are over 280,000 active sellers on Amazon in 2019. There is a reason why there is so many of them. And the reason for that is because the amount of people going onto Amazon to buy various things is growing each and every single year. And with more customers comes in more sellers. And with that being said, guys, you should be in one of those sellers, in my personal opinion, to take advantage of this growing demand on Amazon. And then last but not least, guys, Amazon UK net sales. As you can see, look at the growth from 3 billion back in 2010 all the way up to 26 billion back in 2020. Okay, look at the phenomenal growth that there has been occurring over the last few years, and look at the massive jump that has happened in 2020. The reason for this massive jump is simple: COVID. Most of us were under lockdown and simply had no other choice but to shop online. And a lot of us realized all of a sudden the convenience that Amazon and various other marketplaces brings to us. And I personally think that in 2021, the annual sales are only going to go up. Therefore, there is absolutely no reason for you guys not to start off your Amazon FBA journey today. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check the links down below for my own personal mentorship and my brand new FBA Mentor Academy course. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.